The northern Tohoku is northeastern portion of Honshu and consists of 3 prefectures, which are Iwate, Akita, Aomori. Those 3 prefectures has nature, culture, history, and industry. It is local resources of variety and unique in this area. Iwate Prefecture is largest in those regions. Many beautiful natures such as mountains, rivers, and rear coast. There are breathtaking, amazing views that you can enjoy it for 4 seasons.
Furthermore, in here, merged culture of history and tradition. Protect Chusonji, which is World Cultural Heritage in 2011. Nambuteki, which is traditional iron teapots, and lacquerware, a most famous traditional craft. Morioka City is the castle town of the Nambu about 400 years ago. Still, you can see the historical townscape. The center of town, there are 3 rivers of Kitakami River, Nakatsu River, and Shizukuishi River. There is the big mountain between the river which called Mount Iwate.
People living here, down to earth, honest and kindness personality, passing through time with beautiful nature. For eating, measure of animal husbandry, ingredients from mountains, rivers, and sea. Also has traditional food which called the Morioka 3 major noodle dishes called Wanko Soba, Jajamen, and Morioka Ramen, which loved by many people.